The CNC Machinist, a journey of continuous learning and global impact. In the world of modern manufacturing, the role of the CNC, computer numerical control, machinist is more than just operating machines. It's a lifelong journey of learning, adaptation, and innovation. Every day, CNC machinists work at the intersection of craftsmanship and technology, turning raw materials into precision-engineered parts that keep our world moving. Being a CNC machinist means embracing continuous learning. Technology changes quickly, machines get faster, software becomes more sophisticated, and materials evolve to meet the demands of industries like aerospace, medical, automotive, and renewable energy. A machinist who learned on manual lathes years ago may now be programming multi-axis CNC machines, integrating robotics, and working with advanced CAD/CAM systems. Every new toolpath, program, or setup is a chance to sharpen skills and push the limits of precision. The impact of CNC machining on the world today is enormous. From the cars we drive to the smartphones we hold. From life-saving surgical instruments to parts for spacecraft, CNC machinists produce the components that power modern life. Their work ensures that machines run smoothly, infrastructure remains reliable, and innovations become reality. In industries where tolerances are measured in microns, their expertise ensures safety, efficiency, and quality. For the future, CNC machinists will play a high critical role in global progress. As automation, AI, and Industry 4.0 reshape manufacturing, the machinist's job will continue to evolve. They will become hybrid experts, part programmer, part engineer, part problem solver, capable of collaborating with intelligent machines while applying human insight to complex challenges. CNC machining will also be key in developing sustainable technologies, from wind turbines to electric vehicles, enabling a greener and more efficient world. The journey of a CNC machinist is never static. Each project is a puzzle to solve, a skill to master, and a lesson to carry forward. In a world that demands both speed and precision,